Rising Professionals welcomes you to Video Lectures in C. In this lecture, we will discuss about the decision-making statements. Now, what exactly are decision-making statements? These statements are the statements which control the flow of the execution of the statements as per condition or requirement. C language possesses such decision-making capabilities. C language possesses such decision making capabilities by supporting the following statements. First, if statement. If is a keyword, that is, it has a pre-described meaning. The statements of if will be executed when the condition of if is true. I will discuss the syntax with you now. It will be if, condition, statement. This is my syntax for the if statement. Next I have is the if else statements. So second, if else. If the condition is true, then the true block statements immediately following if the condition is true, then the true block statements immediately following the if statements are executed. Otherwise, the false block statements are executed. The syntax is as follows: if, condition, true block, else, false block. That is, it tells if the condition is satisfied, these statements will be executed, else these will be executed. Next we have else if ladder. So third is else if ladder. Next is our else if ladder. It is another way to put together when multigraph decisions are involved. A multigraph decision is a chain of ifs in which the statement associated with each else is an if. The conditions are evaluated from the top to down order. As soon as a true condition is found, the statement associated with it is executed and the control is transferred to the end of else, skipping the rest of the if else statements. When all the conditions are false, then the final else containing the default statement will be executed. This is how my syntax will be written: if, condition, statement, else if, condition 2, statement 2, and in the end else, and then the statement 3. You can also use curly braces here for better understanding, but otherwise also it will work. Next we have is switch. C language has built-in multi-way decision statements known as switch statement. The switch statement tests the value of a given variable or expression against a list of case values, and when a match is found, a block of statement associated with that case is executed. In general, it will be like switch expression curly braces case value 1 or case 1 case 1 colon block 1, that is the statement 1 semicolon, and then break. Similarly, case 2 colon block 2, that is block of statements 2, and then break. The last condition will be written as default. Default block and then break. The expression is an integer or character, and the value 1 and value 2 are constants or constant expressions. Each of these values should be unique with a switch statement. Block 1, block 2 are statements. There is no need to put braces around the blocks. When the switch is executed, the value of the expression is successfully compared against the values, that is value 1, value 2, etc. If a case is found whose value matches with the value of the expression, then the block of statement that follows the case are executed. The break statements at the end of each block signals the end of a particular case and causes an exit from the switch statement. The default is an optional case. When present, it will be executed if the value of the expression does not match with any of the case values. If it is not present, no action takes place. If all matches fail then control goes after the switch blocks. This is all I have in this lecture. Thank you.